What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Man That's Sweet. A little about myself. I'm a husband, a father, and just a regular dude that wanted to help shine some light on some sweet items that you may or may not know about. Or maybe even thought about getting, but weren't sure you should get it. Now, right off the bat, I'm not sponsored by any of these products that I review, but I do get a small commission for each item through Amazon Associates. It helps support the channel, so thank you guys for supporting the channel. I would also like to say that I have bought and used these items for no less than 1 month, and I wouldn't even share them unless they were worth it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching the videos and hit that notification bell to be notified for any future posts, and leave a comment below if you have any products you think that I should review. Again, thank you so much and enjoy.